You know what? I'm gonna close my eyes and I'm just gonna pick like it's a grab bag and you guys can see first. Oh yes! Oh, I've been trying to try this. Yes. It's lovely. It's lovely. Did I get it this time? I did, but it's upside down. This is seriously unreal. It's just a little perk in my week, you know? Get that package and I'm just like, before we jump in and get started, I just wanted to thank you all so much for joining me today. I really do appreciate it. And also, if you would go ahead and hit that like button, hit subscribe, and you can click on the bell icon and you'll be notified every time I post a video. It tremendously helps my channel. Every little thing really does make a huge difference. So I would greatly appreciate it. Thank you so much, and let's get started. I'm gonna kind of like blot this on my face first. Just because, yeah, I don't know what the consistency is going to be like. Okay, so it's probably like one pump, one full pump. This is actually not blending very well with the brush. I'm going to switch to my beauty blender. The difference is crazy. When I just went in with the brush, it was just like pushing it around everywhere and it was very streaky. I'm going to go in with like another half a pump. This is so pretty. Oh my God, it really is like super full coverage. CC Cream, what? I'm genuinely mind blown. It's just, I'm just like, hello. Perfect skin McGee over here. This might be too dark. This was the lightest color. Well, they did have, actually no, I think there was another one. But again, it was like a cool tone. And it just looked so flippin' pink. Because this is a brightening concealer, but if it's darker, oh, maybe not. Okay. It might not be too dark. It just looks very, like orangey, I guess. Just need a little bit more. These puppies are hard to cover. I am satisfied. I'm a satisfied customer, E.L.F. I'm a little mind blown. I am going to go do my brows off camera and then we're going to finish the rest of the face. Brows are on, which makes me happy. I don't feel like a mole rat anymore. So, next step. The E.L.F. Putty Blush. And this is the Turks and Caicos. I forget, and I threw away the package. It doesn't say. So this is the brush that I ordered. I thought it was going to be thicker and a little more dense. This is the Putty Blush brush. It's very small and thin. We're going to try it. It's very like mousse-like. Yeah, it feels good. Let's just try. Let's just try. Okay, I'm gonna just an odd cream blush. I don't know. Hey, E.L.F. hasn't let us down thus far. I don't do blush before bronzer. What am I doing? We'll see. Whoops. I was just so excited about the blush, you guys. Okay, so it's not applying to my face at all. That's good. It's always what we hope for. This brush is literally pulling my foundation off and not applying the blush. That was convenient. Well, we're not using that brush. We're just going to use Fenty InDa Sun powder. All right, so I'm actually going to go with the Real Techniques Expert Face Brush. We're going to try that. I will say this Turks and Caicos color, I don't know how well you can see. I really thought it was coral, and it is definitely coral, but it also is almost like a baby pink in real life. I don't really know how well you can tell, but we'll see what it looks like on my face. There we go. Whew, very pigmented. Oh my God, it's beautiful. Oh, look at that. Do you even recognize me? Because I don't. I'm snatched AF. Not taking my foundation off my cheek. Like the Rare Beauty, like the last video I did, I'll go ahead and I'll link it on the screen somewhere. You'll see it. It'll pop up. Anyway, the last review video that I did of like luxury and drugstore, I used the Rare Beauty blush, and it was like the mauve color, but it was really pretty, and I couldn't quite tell if it was taking my foundation off, because seriously, the color of that blush was very similar to the natural color when I'm like flush, you know, when I'm blushing, like very similar to my natural color. I literally was like, okay, did it take my foundation off, or is it just so close to my natural color that it looks like it took my foundation off? And I really couldn't tell, and I really did like it. It was so pretty. It applied so nicely, blended out so well. I did afterwards go and like really look carefully in like another room, like other lighting outside. It definitely just like lifted my foundation, and I felt like maybe I was blending. I'm gonna have to use it again, but I mean, it just pulled it off. This is not doing that. My foundation is still there. Are you guys ready for the moment we've all been waiting for? I'm nervous. Like, guys, is this just the eyeshadow? Look at this. This is unreal. Oh my God. I can't make it through one video without dropping crap everywhere. So I am going to start off with this shade. Right, well, here's the final face of the video. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. I thoroughly enjoyed playing with this palette, and I can't stop staring at it. There's just so much more I want to do. Anyway, thank you. And again, if you liked today's video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and I would really appreciate it if you would subscribe. It really helps my channel. And I will see you next time. Bye.